You know what I used to tell myself? I'll do it tomorrow. I just need a little rest. And I believed that lie for years. I used to think discipline meant grinding all the time, waking up at 5 a.m., never missing workout, always being productive all the time. But it's not like that. Discipline is quieter than that. It is when you show up after a terrible day, when no one is clapping for you, when everything in your life feels messy, but you still do the small thing anyway. It's not loud, it's not impressive or outside, but it changes you. It really changes you. And I'm not telling you this because I've figured it out. I'm still training, I'm still learning, still falling off some days. But I've seen what happens when I don't show up. I lose trust in myself. And that hurts more than anything else. So now I treat discipline like a relationship. It's not about being perfect, it's about not ghosting the version of me I'm trying to become. So, yeah.